Imagine buying a brand new $50,000 sedan, only for the transmission to explode before the third oil change. While modern cars are packed with fragile sensors and expensive computers, these 8 American legends are built to survive an apocalypse. They're cheap, powerful, and simpler than a light switch. For under 10 grand, you can own a piece of Detroit steel that will still be purring when today's EVs are in the scrapyard. Stick around, because number 1 is basically immortal. Wait. Starting at number 8 is the 2015 Chevrolet Malibu. You can find this sleek daily driver today for a realistic used price of around $8,500. While most modern cars are shifting toward tiny, high-stress turbocharged engines that burn out quickly, this Malibu features a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter Ecotec engine. It thrives on mechanical simplicity, but there is a hidden reason why this specific year is the one to buy. Are you listening? Unlike newer models that use fragile CVTs, this Malibu uses a traditional 6-speed automatic that was designed to handle much more stress than a commute requires. Think about that for a second. You are getting a car that doesn't panic when the temperature rises or the road gets steep. But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who thought these were just disposable fleet cars. Owners began reporting that their engines were running as smoothly as the day they left the showroom. This brings up a massive question. How can a car this affordable be so resilient? The answer lies in the over-engineered cooling system that prevents the heat soak issues found in European rivals. Are you tired of modern cars that feel like they are made of thin plastic? This Malibu feels substantial and grounded. It is the perfect entry point for someone who needs reliability without a massive monthly payment. But while this Chevy is a smart buy, the next high-performance sedan on our list is even more aggressive. Number 7. 2014 Dodge Charger. Coming in at number 7 is the 2014 Dodge Charger 5.6. You can currently pick up this aggressive machine for approximately $9,500. Most people chase the Hemi V8, but for sheer longevity, the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 is the real hero of the story. This engine was built to survive hours of police idling and the heavy-footed abuse of rental car fleets. But there is a secret about this car that most buyers completely overlook. Stop and think about this. The Charger uses a transmission design sourced from Mercedes-Benz, known for being virtually indestructible under normal driving conditions. It creates a weird hybrid of American muscle and German durability. But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who expected the interior or the drivetrain to rattle apart. Instead, these cars are frequently found crossing the 300,000-mile mark with original hardware. Imagine driving a car that looks this intimidating but costs less to maintain than a basic economy car. This brings up a curiosity gap. Why don't more people talk about the V6 reliability? It is because the V8 gets all the glory, while the V6 does all the heavy lifting for a decade. Are you still with me? If you want the presence of a modern muscle car without the fear of a massive repair bill, this Charger is calling your name. But the next car changed everything by proving that luxury does not have to be fragile or expensive. Number 6. 2013 Ford Taurus Non-EcoBoost. At number 6, we have the 2013 Ford Taurus, but only the non-EcoBoost version. You can find these heavy-duty sedans for about $7,500. The secret sauce here is the 3.5-liter Cyclone 5.6 engine. Unlike modern Ford engines that rely on complex turbochargers that can fail without warning, this naturally aspirated powerhouse is built for the long haul. Why would you gamble your hard-earned savings on a fragile modern engine when this Taurus offers bulletproof peace of mind? Listen closely, because this matters. The Taurus was built on a chassis shared with Volvo, meaning the structural integrity is far beyond what you find in a typical budget car. But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who thought American sedans were just for city driving. These cars have been known to cross the country multiple times with nothing more than routine oil changes and basic tire rotations. It is a highway king that refuses to quit. Have you ever wondered why these cars feel so heavy and planted? It is because they were designed to protect occupants at all costs while keeping maintenance simple enough for a backyard mechanic. The engine bay is actually large enough to reach the components without a specialized computer. If you value your time and your sanity, this Taurus is the ultimate low-cost cruiser. But if you think this Ford is comfortable, wait until you see the luxury heavy hitter coming up next at number 5. Number 5. 2014 Buick LaCrosse. Number 5 brings us to the refined 2014 Buick LaCrosse. For under $9,000, you are stepping into a luxury experience that rivals the finest European brands, but without the terrifying mechanical nightmares. This car utilizes the 3.6-liter LFX V6, a motor that General Motors spent decades perfecting. Modern luxury cars are essentially computers on wheels, and when a single chip fails, the entire vehicle can become a high-priced paperweight. Are you tired of that anxiety? The LaCrosse avoids this trap by sticking to proven mechanical components. Have you ever wondered why Buicks consistently top the reliability charts year after year? It is because they prioritize mechanical refinement over experimental gadgets. The LaCrosse features a quiet tuning system that creates a vault-like cabin experience. But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who associated Buick only with slow Sunday drives. These engines can handle the daily grind of aggressive highway commuting for years without ever showing signs of fatigue. The suspension is designed to soak up massive potholes that would easily shatter the expensive rims of a modern sports sedan. This is not just a car for your grandparents. It is a vehicle for anyone who is sick of spending their entire weekend at the local mechanic. It is stealth wealth at its absolute finest, providing a premium feel for a tiny fraction of the cost of a new car. But while the Buick is refined, our next entry takes luxury to a new level. Number 4. 2013 Cadillac XTS. Stepping into the number 4 spot is the 2013 Cadillac XTS. You can find these sophisticated beauties for about $9,800. It is a masterpiece of high-mileage engineering. While some modern Cadillacs can be quite finicky, the XTS was designed specifically for the professional livery and black car industry. This means it was engineered to be driven for 18 hours a day, every single day, without failing. Stop for a second and realize what that means for a private owner. Modern luxury sedans often require specialized tools and very expensive imported parts just for basic service. However, the XTS shares many of its mechanical bones with the heavy-duty Chevy Impala, making maintenance surprisingly affordable and straightforward. Why pay for a German car when this Cadillac gives you the same status with half the headache? But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who viewed Cadillac as a fragile brand. These cars are frequently seen in airport fleets with over 300,000 miles on the clock, still looking and driving like they are brand new. It is a testament to what happens when American engineers build a car to be a workhorse rather than just a fashion statement. Are you looking for a car that commands respect without draining your bank account? The XTS offers a magic carpet ride that stays durable over the long haul. But even this Cadillac's legendary durability is challenged by our next entry, which is virtually a tank. Number 3. 2024 Chevrolet Impala. Coming in at number 3 is the 2012 Chevrolet Impala. This car is a literal legend in the used car market, often found for a bargain price of around $6,500. It features the 3.6-liter LFX V6 paired with a 6-speed transmission that is virtually indestructible. Modern cars are often built with planned obsolescence in mind, but the Impala was built to serve as a fleet vehicle for police departments and government agencies across the country. This means every single component was designed for maximum uptime and the lowest possible repair cost. Why spend $40,000 on a new car when this older Impala will likely outlive it? Think about that for a moment. The interior is refreshingly simple, the dashboard is intuitive, and there are no distracting or fragile touchscreens to fail. But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who treated these as cheap or disposable cars. Instead of falling apart, the Impala just keeps going, with many examples reaching 400,000 miles with only basic maintenance. It is the ultimate stealth reliability play for the budget-conscious driver. Have you ever noticed how many of these are still on the road despite being over a decade old? It is because they are too cheap to fix and far too tough to die. This car represents the absolute peak of a platform GM refined for over 20 years. But our next two cars are the undisputed kings. Number 2. 2010 Lincoln Town Car. Number 2 is the 2010 Lincoln Town Car, the absolute pinnacle of traditional American comfort. For roughly $9,200, you can own what many enthusiasts consider to be the last real American luxury car. It is built on the world-famous Panther platform, featuring a heavy-duty body-on-frame construction just like a full-size truck. Modern cars use unibody construction, which is lighter but significantly more expensive to repair after even a minor collision. Why settle for a cramped modern sedan when you could be driving a literal sofa on wheels? The 4.6-liter V8 engine is understressed, undertuned, and legendary for its incredible longevity. But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who bought these cars used. They discovered that the engine was actually just getting started. It is common to see town cars in professional limousine service hitting 500,000 miles without needing a single engine rebuild. The air suspension provides a ride quality that modern cars can only dream of achieving with expensive magnetic shocks. Have you ever felt like you were actually floating over the road? That is the town car experience. It is a massive, safe, and incredibly reliable machine that makes modern luxury feel like a cheap plastic imitation. This car is built for the person who wants to travel in total silence and absolute peace. But as legendary as the Lincoln is, there is one car that stands above all others. Number 1. 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. Finally, at number 1, the 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. This is the undisputed king of reliability, and you can find them all day for around $7,000. It is the exact same vehicle used by police departments and taxi companies for decades for one simple reason. It is nearly impossible to kill. While modern cars have engines that look like a complicated bowl of spaghetti, the 4.6-liter V8 in the Crown Vic is wide open and incredibly simple. There are no turbos, no direct injection, and no complicated electronics to ruin your life. Why would you buy a modern car that needs a computer to tell you when to breathe when you can have this mechanical masterpiece? It features a heavy-duty cooling system and a transmission built to withstand 24/7 abuse. But what happened at 200,000 miles shocked everyone who thought the car was ready for the scrap heap. It was still performing at 100% efficiency. Many of these cars have seen 600,000 miles or more in the harshest conditions imaginable on planet Earth. It is a literal tank that happens to have 4 doors and a trunk large enough for a whole family's luggage. If you want a car that will literally outlive you, this is the one. It represents the end of an era where cars were built to last forever. This car is truly the greatest American legend. If you're tired of massive car payments and fragile engines, these 8 American classics are your ticket to freedom. Which one would you daily drive? Smash the like button and subscribe for more car tips. You won't believe what's coming.